Yo, what's up guys, it is Seahawks area back with another video. Today we are returning to the card openings. I may be in college, but I got some more cards. We got a mega box of 2023 Panini Contender. A little throwback with some 2022 Absolute. And then one of the newer products, we got the 2024 Score Paninis. We're going to start with the Absolutes because it's an older product, so that's kind of like how I like to roll if I have older products compared to newer products when I do the card opening. So here's all the packs with Russell Wilson on it. 66 cards per box. Ain't too shabby. Let's get this started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs to open. Alright, got some kid reporters we don't care about. Ooh, alright. So to start, we got Justin Jefferson, Daniel Jones, Davis Mills, Derek Carr, Dak Prescott, kind of hard to read, Tom Brady, and now the rookie, Roger McQuarrie, Cam Taylor-Britt, Jameson Williams, alright, Jonathan Taylor-Green, and a buy storm of Malik Willis. First pack, don't really get a lot, but we got 5 more to go. Got Cam Akers, Trey Lance, Marquise Brown, Mac Jones, Matt Ryan, Austin Eckler, Jalen Petrie, rookie, Sky Moore, rookie, Kyler Gordon, rookie. We're going to save that for last. Kenny Pickett, introductions, rookie. And this Brian Robinson, it's a patch. It's a patch of Brian Robinson Jr. for the Washington Commanders. Alright. Our first hit of the day. Hopefully we get more. Pack 3. Alright, kid reporter, you can get out of here. We got Kadarius Toney. Yeah, there we go. Brandon Cooks, Darren Waller, CeeDee Lamb, Mike Evans, Michael Carter, Deebo Samuel, and now the rookies. Kyle Hamilton, ooh. Trent McDuffie, Charleston Rambo, and a last call Joe Hayden. Oh my god, I forgot about that guy. He's been retired for a minute now. Alright, pack number 4. We got anything? Ooh, we got some color. David Montgomery, Miles Sanders, Michael Pittman, Justin Herbert, Joe Mixon, Marcus Mariota, and now the rookie. It's Carson Strong, who is retired. Zamir White, Rashad White, Justin Jefferson, Green, if you can see. And then the stargazing of Tyreek Hill. Okay. This box might be an L, but we got 2 more packs. So we get to see. Open, you bastard. Jeez, dude. Open. There we go. A kid reporter in the back. Get out of here. Alright, Devontae Adams, J.K. Dobbins, DeAndre Swift, Zach Wilson, James Robinson. Wow, that sucks. His career was derailed because Urban Meyer's an idiot. Justin Fields, Jalen Hurts, Brian Cook, ooh, Drake London, Cole Strange, and a Draft Diamonds, Leroy Kelly. One pack to go. And it's looking like the Brian Robinson might be the hit of the box. Chris McCaffrey, Mike Williams, Joe Burrow, Kyle Pitts, Nick Bosa, Drew Lock, Jared Goff, George Pickens, no, not quite a hit. Kyle Phillips, Trey McBride, and a Sky Moore green to end it. Alright, so that box wasn't the best. I mean, our hit of it was the Brian Robinson Jr. patch. We'll just put that off to the right. We'll save the mega box for last. We got the Score Panini 2024, one of the first licensed products for 2024. All the packs in there. Some thick ones too. Alright. First pack, 22 cards per pack. That was easy to open. We like that. Alright, we've got a lot of base cards that don't really mean anything. We just care for the good stuff. Alright. Our first rookie is Cole Bishop. Rook Oro. We got a green perimeter Navarro Bowman. A Jair Alexander Celebration. League leaders Sidney Brown. Ooh, Drake May Potential. And a Kayvon Thibodeau Sack Attack. Pack 2. Alright, so many base cards. They don't matter. Alright, now we're to the good stuff. Laiatu Latu rookie. Peyton Wilson rookie. Xavier Legette rookie. Aeneas Smith rookie. Spencer Rattler. Another Drake May. Potential of Bo Nix. Deron Bland Celebration. Roma Dunze. And Marvin Harrison Jr. Alright. Picking up, I guess. I've seen that you can get like autos or something in this, so hopefully we can. Pack number 3. If they're going to put 22 cards in here, they don't need to put a lot of just base crap cards in here. I've been skipping a few of the rookies. Oh no. Alright. Found them though. Chris Jennings, Ryan Thomas, that's a first rounder. Kamari Lassiter, Austin Booker, Josh Newton, Terrion Arnold, that's a first rounder. Brian Thomas Jr. Potential, Trey Hendrickson, Sack Attack, Andre Tippett, first ballot linebacker, and this was turned around. It's a Bo Nix. Ooh, orange parallel. There we go. That's probably the hit of the box, though. Pack number 4. I like how easy these are to open. It's always nice. I gotta be careful when I'm looking now. And then we're at the rookies. Alright. First rookie is Talisi Fuaga, green perimeter. That's a first rounder. Makai Wingo, Marius Mims, first rounder, but Eric All, Jeremiah Trotter, Jaden Daniels, alright. Roman Wilson, celebration of Breece Hall, league leaders Brandon Aubrey, potential of Chris Jennings, and a celebration of DJ Moore. 2 packs to go. Thick boys. Space. So many base cards. Alright, here we go. Jakeem Bell, Edgerrin Cooper, McKinley Jackson, Jalen Polk, who's being a cancer right now, Fashanu, Logan Wilson, Malik Neighbor, celebration of Tyreek Hill, league leaders Ryan Tannehill. He ain't leading crap. What do you mean? And potential of Audric Estime. All right, final pack. All of the base. Here we go. Jonah Ellis, Slad McConkey, Jalen Norrell, Troy Franklin, Dylan Johnson, Green Perimeter, Michael Pittman Jr., Sack Attack, Micah Parsons, Andre Johnson first ballot, Christian Wilkins celebration, and a league leaders Christian McCaffrey. Wow, that was the Score Panini box for 2024. And here's the hits. Ryan Thomas, Marvin Harrison, Roman Dunze, Bo Nix, Malik Neighbors, Jaden Daniels, Talisi Fuaga, Bo Nix, Orange Parallel, Brian Thomas, Terrion Arnold, and Drake May. And now for the Panini Contenders 2023 Mega Box. I could have saved some cardboard by not having that in the middle, but whatever. 3 and 6. And these one are blue packs instead of the standard like yellow or gold ones. Travis Etienne, Nick Bosa, Cortland Sutton, Derek Carr, Adam Thielen. Who's that? Odell, John Mechie, Najee Harris, Justin Fields, Chris Godwin, Von Miller, Jimmy G, No One Likes You, DeAndre Hopkins, Christian Watson, Devontae Smith, Jamar Chase, Travis Dye Auto, nice, and a Tank Bigsby, Tank Dell, round 3. Alright, first hit is the Travis Dye Auto. And that was in the first pack. And it says you can find like 2 autos. So we'll see if that's true. Mahomes, Mayfield, St. Brown, Thibodeau, Moore, Herbert, Kirk, Lamar Jackson, Cooper Kupp, Travis Kelce, Matt Stafford, Kyler Murray, Michael Pittman Jr., T.J. Watt, Mike Gesicki, Stephon Diggs, Dalton Kincaid draft class, and draft class Randy Moss. Alright, nothing from that pack. Pack 3. Sam Howell, John Mechie, Najee Harris, Kirk Cousins, Lamar Jackson, Nick Bolton, Tyler Lockett, James Conner, Josh Allen, Devontae Adams, Mike Evans, Aaron Jones, DeAndre Swift, Justin Fields, Cooper Kupp, Cedric Tillman patch, and a Hendon Hooker rookie Stallions. Alright, got myself a hooker. Lovely. Put the hits there. Alright, pack 4. Max Crosby, CJ Stroud, rookie. We'll put that to the right, I guess. George Pickens, Tyreek Hill, Kyle Pitts, Justin Herbert, Sam Howell, DeAndre Swift, Jared Goff, Joe Burrow, Jalen Waddle, Desmond Ritter, Shaq Leonard, Brock Purdy, Dak Prescott, Aiden O'Connell patch, and a Dalton Kincaid rookie stallions. Dang, if the patches were like players worth a damn, that'd be nice. But I think that those three are the best cards we'll get out of this box. But you never know. Still got 2 packs left counting this one. Justin Tucker, Trevor Lawrence, DK Metcalf, Pat Surtain, Jamal Williams, Bryce Young, rookie, not worth anything. Thibodeau, DJ Moore, Aaron Jones, Saquon, Micah Parsons, Ramondre Stevenson, Josh Jacobs, Derrick Henry, Jair, Hassan Reddick finally pulled the tampon out. Draft class contenders Roshan Johnson and a Drew Bledsoe draft contenders. Final pack of the day. Such a mess on my floor and to my right. Miles Sanders, Derwin James, Brian Robinson, Kenny Pickett, Myles Garrett, Harrison Smith, Baker Mayfield, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Mike Evans, Jaquan Brisker, Jalen Hurts, Sam Hubbard, Tua, Hawk Tua, Drake London, Foye Sadaluakon, Christian McCaffrey, Zay Flowers, Dalton Kincaid round 1, and the final card is a Joey Porter, Will Levis red draft round 2. Alright, the hits of this box. The 2 patches, Cedric Tillman and O'Connell. The Travis Dye auto. The rookie stallions, Hendon Hooker and Dalton Kincaid. And a rookie of C.J. Stroud, because I definitely have enough Stroud cards. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you'll never miss an upload. I will see you in the next video. Go Hawks!